Hey, what's going on? Welcome to another episode. This is your boy B, and you already know we got a good one. Listen, you guys have asked, and I've answered. B, when should I trim my beard? When should I trim my split ends? Listen, help me out. All right, well, I'm here to help you out. And I got 3 things that you can follow that's gonna help you on your beard journey. So let's get right into it. Let's go. Trimming is very, very healthy to trim your beard. We got this, I don't know where this come from, this idea that the more brolic and big your beard look is, it just makes you the man. You the man without it, you the man with it. But in terms of health itself, the health of your beard and the look of your beard, it would be advantageous for you to trim those ends. And you start to see a lot of people's beards where it's like it's not shaped. There's no symmetry at all. There's no shape. And also you got to understand that with trimming the beard is that with our beard, when the hair strand is growing out of your hair, the longer it gets, as it gets further and further from your skin, it gets thinner and thinner, and then there's no protection. That those cuticles, they're there to protect your beard from breakage and splits and things of that nature. So it's very vulnerable at the tip. So you gotta trim that. That's how you start seeing people's beard is like super light right here, and then it's like dark right here. Well, those are split ends. You need to trim it. It's okay. It's going to grow back, actually healthier and stronger. It's really in your best interest to do it. So let's get right into it as far as the 3 things you can follow as far as going on and trimming your beard. Number 1 is objective. What is your objective? Do you have split ends? You're doing it for, personality. You want personality with your beard. You got a job interview. What is your objective? Understand that. That's number 1. Number 2, tools. What tools are you going to be using? Are you going to be using shears? You're going to be using clippers. Make sure to establish the tools that you're definitely going to be using for the job. And number 3, this can help. Keep a calendar. It's really, really important that you can keep a calendar, and that way it can give you an idea. Well, do I need to trim every 2 weeks? Do I need to trim once a week? Do I need to trim once a month? That'll really kind of let you know as far as how your beard works and how your beard operates, and that'll really give you a really understanding of what you need to do. All right, well, listen, that was really quick, and I hope that helped you. If you're having issues with splits, please leave that in the comments, because I know we all had. And if you just afraid of just, trimming it, because you like, man, I don't want to trim my beard as long, and I be getting these compliments, but, the ladies, though, they already know. They may not say nothing to you, but they thinking like, yeah, you got a big beard, but it ain't looking its best. So trim, fellas. Leave those comments at the bottom. Subscribe if you haven't subscribed. Make sure you share, because sharing is caring. Smash that like, all right? This is your boy B with the beard. Watch my other episodes, and you already know. Deuces.